A photo print shop has 3 printers and a list of print jobs with the times listed. What is the total process time using the list processing algorithm? This means you work the priority list from left to right. Okay, so what that means is, let's say for example, we'll get our 3 printers going. So this will be 1, and let's say that's going to be 15 minutes because that is the first number. And the next one is going to be, let's say, 26. That's the second number. And then for the third printer, the first task is going to be 19. That's the third number. And this is just kind of a rough sketch. So the next number on the list is 24. And I'll put that about right there. And then next is 8, and that will go after the 19 because the 19 would finish next. And then next is 15, and that will go after the 26. What I like to do now is do a subtotal of where each processor is. That way we know where the next process will go. So 15 and 24, that's 39 so far. And then 26 and 15, that's 41 so far. And then 19 and 18, that is 27 so far. So the next job will go down here after the 19 and the 8. So that would be the 13. About like that. Okay, and then that would change this total from 27 to 40. That means the next job will go up to the first printer. That would be 21. And then the next process is 24. That will go on the bottom, or the third printer, because that one would be finished first. And I know that because 40 is 1 less than 41. Okay, so now all the jobs are scheduled. There are 9 jobs listed, and there are 9 jobs down here. So the question is, what's the total processing time? So that's going to be the longest path, or the critical path shown here. So the question is, what's the total processing time? So we need to add the time for each printer, and then the longest time will be the time for the entire job to complete. So we had 39 here, and then plus 21, so that makes 60. 26 and 15, that's still 41. And then down here, we had 40 and then added 24, so that's 64. So the total processing time is 64 minutes.